is Juicy, and on this video I'm gonna teach you how to cook carbonara pasta. I'm only going to be making 2 servings of the carbonara since it's just me. And the ingredients you'll need for 2 servings are just 3 eggs, a 1/4 cup of Parmesan, a 1/4 cup of Pecorino, half a tablespoon of black pepper. This pancetta, I'm going to use half the pack. You can get this pretty much anywhere. I usually buy it from Trader Joe's. Half a box of spaghetti, pink salt, and olive oil. So you want to start by filling up your pot of water. 8 cups of water should be enough. Put a lid on it and just let it boil. While the water is boiling, you can start putting together your egg mix for the carbonara. So I just have 2 eggs here and then 1 egg yolk. And I'm just going to whisk it. You don't want to whisk it too much, and it's going to flatten. Then you're going to take your cheese and your pepper. You're going to pour it in. And then you're just going to mix it a little bit. Till it's all mixed together. And then I just like to let it sit for a little while I get the pancetta ready. I'm going to cook my pancetta in a chef's pan. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of olive oil and I'm going to put the heat on medium. And then I'm going to pour in half this pack of pancetta. You only want to cook your pancetta about 5 to 7 minutes. Just stir it every so often. The goal is really just not to burn it or make it too dry. Smells absolutely amazing. So now that it's cooked enough, all I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna remove it off the heat and just let it sit there. Now that my pasta water is boiling, I'm just going to put in a teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to put in my pasta. And as soon as it's submerged, I'm going to set a timer for 7 minutes, which is what this pasta requires. You're going to want to stir your pasta every minute or so, just so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. When your pasta is about 2 minutes away from being done, you just want to put the pancetta back on a very low heat. So now comes the time for the most important ingredient of pasta carbonara, which is pasta water. So about 1 minute before your pasta is done, you're going to want to get a glass or a cup, and then just take about half a cup full. I did almost like 3/4 of a cup of pasta water, and then just put it on the side. So now that I've drained my pasta, I'm just going to pour it in the pan where the pancetta is. And this is where the magic happens. I'm actually going to turn off the heat. And then I'm going to pour in my egg and cheese mixture. You want to start stirring. And then you want to start adding the pasta water, just a little bit at a time. Ooh. Not the easiest to do while filming. So I ended up putting in about 3/4 cups of that cup of water that I took out of the pasta water, and you can just see how creamy it is. Not the easiest to stir on this and film at the same time. It tastes so good. Oh my god, it's so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you cook it, let me know how it turns out.